46th point of indefinite integration. Here again I have another set of problems, a special set of problems. Okay, so we are discussing all different standard types of problems and their substitutions and the process of evaluating integrals for those standard types. Okay, and now for this set, if you observe, see, sine power something, cos power something. Sine power is an odd number, cos power even number, and here sine power even number, cos power odd number, and for the third bit both odd numbers, and for the next bit both even numbers. Maybe they are equal or not, no problem, both even. See, for your sake I just change it. Sine power 6x into cos power 4x dx, or in the same way sine cube x into cos power 5x dx, like that. Both odd, both even, one odd, like that. How to answer this type of problems? First of all, you just think about this first problem. In the same way, it is easy to answer the second bit also. Just I will discuss first. In the same way, you just try the second one, and then I will discuss CD again. Okay. Whereas coming to the first one, sine power 7x and cos power 8x is given. Okay. So I do one thing. Integral of, see, just it's very easy. See, think about, observe for which trigonometric function power is odd, either for sine or for cos. That's what we need to observe. Here sine x power 7 x into cos power 8x dx. So for this you need to take cos x as t. For this problem you need to take cos x as t. If you take cos x as t, its derivative minus sin x into dx is equals to dt. So then the problem will become like this. Integral of cos power 8x, which is nothing but t power 8, into 1 sin x with dx will become minus dt, and we have more 6 sines, so sin power 6x into minus dt. You need to convert complete problem in terms of t. This is equals to integral of t power 8 into sin power 6x means sin square x whole cube, sin square x means 1 minus cos square x whole cube into minus dt. Now this is equals to minus integral of t power 8 into, use a minus b whole cube formula, a cube minus 3a square b, that means 3t square, plus 3ab square, that means 3t power 4 minus t power 6 dt. You just multiply with the t power, right? So minus integral of t power 8 minus 3t power 10 plus 3t power 12 minus t power 14 of dt. Now it is easy to write its integral, right? Minus of t power 8 means t power 9 by 9 minus 3 into t power 11 by 11 plus 3 into t power 13 by 13 minus t power 15 by 15 plus some constant of integration, and at the end you need to replace that t with cos x. There is the problem. So if one value is even and one value as odd, for this type of problems you need to take, so ఎవరి పవర్లో అయితే ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఉంటుందో దాన్ని మనం t అనుకోవాలి. సో టు సాల్వ్ దిస్ సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం యూ నీడ్ టు టేక్ sin x యాజ్ t. వై? బికాస్ sin పవర్లో ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడ cos పవర్లో ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి cos x t. ఓకే, జస్ట్ అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్. బట్ రెండిటి పవర్లో ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఉందనుకోండి, రెండిటి పవర్లో ఆడ్ నెంబరే ఉంటే ఎలా చేయాలి? రెండిటి పవర్లో ఆడ్ నెంబరే ఉంటే నో ప్రాబ్లం, ఏదైతే హైయెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఉంటుందో అక్కడ టీ అనుకుని ప్రొసీడ్ అవ్వచ్చు. అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సి బిట్ సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి కూడా సేమ్ టెక్నికే, కాస్ ఎక్స్ టీ అనుకోవడం. ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ కాస్ ఎక్స్ యాజ్ టీ, దిస్ ఈస్ టీ పవర్ 5, అండ్ అగైన్ సైన్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ డిఎక్స్ ఈస్ డిటి, అండ్ అగైన్ సైన్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ ఈస్ 1 మైనస్ టీ స్క్వేర్. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం కూడా ఇలానే చేసేయచ్చు కదా, జస్ట్ చూడండి ఒకసారి జాగ్రత్తగా. ఓకేనా? సో ఎవరి పవర్లో అయితే ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఉంటుందో ఆ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ ఫంక్షన్ యూజువల్గా టీ అనాలి. ఇన్ కేస్ రెండిటి పవర్లో ఆడ్ నెంబరే ఉంటే హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఎక్కడైతే ఉందో దాన్ని టీ అనుకుంటే ప్రాబ్లం ఈజీగా అవుతుంది. ఓకే, జస్ట్ అబ్జర్వ్ ఆల్ దీస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అండ్ దెన్ యూ జస్ట్ ట్రై టు సాల్వ్ దిస్ బిట్ డి. ఇంటిగ్రల్ sin పవర్ 6x into cos power 4x dx. How to solve this d? Just think about it and then copy the other. After this class you just try that B and C, okay? And now you just try to answer D. So if both these powers are even, Then to answer this D, for this type of problems, you just take tan x is equals to t. I will try to convert everything in terms of t now. If I take tan x is equals to t, then what is dt? Derivative of tan x is secant square x dx is equals to dt, right? I need secant square x dx, but I have cos power 4x here. So for secant square x, what I need to do? Okay, write dt dx as dt by, see, then the problem is, then the given problem is equals to integral of sin power 6x into cos power 4x into this dx is nothing but dt by secant square x. By secant square x is nothing but numerator lo cos square x. So sin power 6x into cos power 6x into dt. Since it is dt, I need to convert that complete problem in terms of what? T. How to convert it into t? So this is equals to integral, divide with cos power 6x and then multiply. Sin x by cos x to the power 6 into cos power 12x dt. Sin x by cos x is t. So this is equals to integral t power 6 into, and now what you say about that cos power 12x? Okay. Cos power 12x is cos square x whole power 6. Cos square x whole power 6 means 1 by secant square x whole power 6 dt. Since tan x is equals to t, from there what is secant square x? Secant square x is equals to 1 plus t square, right? So replace secant square x with 1 plus t square. So this is equals to integral t power 6 by 1 plus t square whole power 6 dt. Now we need to answer this. So దీని కనుక answer చేయగలిగితే, then there ends the problem. Okay, just have a look.